Natural light is an essential element that can transform any home. It enhances mood, reduces energy consumption, and creates an inviting atmosphere. For homeowners in Auburn Hills, Michigan, leveraging bay windows can be a game changer in maximizing natural light. These architectural features are not only beautiful but also practical, offering a perfect blend of style and functionality. Here's how bay windows can bring more sunshine into your living space and elevate your home's overall aesthetic. The appeal of bay windows. Bay windows are a timeless design feature that extends outward from a home's main walls, creating a nook-like structure with 3 or more panels. This unique design offers several advantages. Increased natural light. The angled structure of bay windows captures sunlight from multiple directions, flooding your room with more natural light than a standard flat window. Panoramic views. Their expansive glass panels provide breathtaking, unobstructed views of Auburn Hills' lush landscapes and charming neighborhoods. Enhanced ventilation. With operable side panels, bay windows can improve airflow, making your home feel fresher and more comfortable. Maximizing light with strategic placement. To truly harness the power of bay windows, consider where you install them in your Auburn Hills home. Strategic placement ensures optimal light penetration while complementing your home's architectural design. Living rooms and dens. A bay window in the living room acts as a focal point, making the space feel larger and brighter. It's perfect for showcasing scenic views or creating a cozy reading nook bathed in natural light. Kitchens. Installing a bay window above the sink can brighten up your cooking area while offering a serene view of your backyard garden or patio. Bedrooms. Bay windows in bedrooms add a touch of luxury and tranquility. Imagine waking up to a sunrise gently illuminating your room through this stunning feature. Home offices. In today's work-from-home era, bay windows can make your home office feel more inspiring and connected to nature, improving productivity and mood. Customizing bay windows for Auburn Hills home. Every home in Auburn Hills is unique, and bay windows can be customized to match your style and needs. Here are some options to consider. Frame materials. Choose from wood, vinyl, or aluminum frames. Wood adds a classic charm, while vinyl and aluminum offer modern durability and minimal maintenance. Glass options. Opt for energy-efficient, double or triple pane glass to keep your home comfortable year-round and reduce energy bills. Decorative elements. Enhance the look of your bay windows with decorative grids, stained glass, or custom trim that aligns with your home's aesthetic. Seating and storage. Transform your bay window into a functional space by adding built-in seating or storage. A cushioned bench can serve as a relaxing spot to enjoy a book, while hidden compartments can store blankets, books, or toys. The energy efficiency factor. Bay windows can also contribute to energy efficiency when properly installed. High-quality materials and advanced glazing techniques help regulate indoor temperatures, reducing the need for artificial lighting and heating. Auburn Hills' varying weather conditions make this an especially valuable feature for local homeowners. To further enhance energy efficiency, install blinds or curtains for added insulation. Use UV blocking glass to protect your interiors from fading and reduce heat gain in the summer. Seal and insulate the window frame to prevent drafts during Michigan's colder months. Enhancing curb appeal. Bay windows don't just improve the interior, they significantly boost curb appeal. Their elegant design and prominent structure add architectural interest, making your Auburn Hills home stand out. Whether you prefer a modern, minimalist style or a classic, traditional look, bay windows can enhance your home's exterior charm and value. Working with experts in Auburn Hills, installing or upgrading bay windows requires expert craftsmanship to ensure proper fit and finish. Local professionals in Auburn Hills understand the region's architectural trends and weather conditions, ensuring a seamless installation that lasts for years. Conclusion: bay windows are a brilliant way to maximize natural light in Auburn Hills homes while adding style, functionality, and value. Whether you're looking to brighten your living space, create a cozy nook, or enhance your home's overall appeal, bay windows offer a versatile solution. With the right placement, customization, and professional installation, these stunning windows can transform your home into a sunlit sanctuary. For Auburn Hills homeowners seeking to embrace the beauty of natural light, bay windows are an investment worth making.